In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can remove YouTube Shorts on desktop and mobile. So let's dive right in. From desktop, you can open YouTube, and to hide this Shorts section, what you can do is open new tab and search for Chrome Web Store. Open up this, and from here, open this official website of Chrome Web Store. And then on the right top side, you'll find a search bar. You can search for YouTube Shorts blog. Search it, and here you'll find extension with 4.6 ratings. Open it and click on Add to Chrome, and it will be added. Then you have to pin it. Click on this icon and pin it from here. And if you open up this extension from here, you can double check it's on or off. If you click on these three dots, it will show you this. Some of options like hide shorts tab or hide shorts video. You can check this first one, hide shorts tab. And now if you refresh it, it will hide your shorts tab from YouTube desktop. Now to hide shorts from your mobile, what you can do is open up your YouTube, and from home page you have to open up your profile that's showing right bottom side. And here you will find this history option. Click on this view all, and on the right upper side you'll find these three dots. Click on that and select clear all watch history. Clear it, and then you need to open settings from this right top side gear icon. Here you have to select this manage all history, and you will be on this history. You have to open up this controls that's showing in the middle, and you can see that our YouTube history is on. You can simply turn this off from here. Pause from here, and now if you click back and refresh it, you will not find any shorts section. So that's how you can remove YouTube Shorts on desktop and mobile in just few easy steps.